How to sign up for a Coinbase account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a Coinbase account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, make sure that you have the Coinbase app. After you do have it, open it up. And there you will see the sign up option on the bottom. Tap on sign up. After you tap on sign up, it will take you to this page right here. It can take some time to load, but all you have to now do is enter your email address. So do that. I'll enter my email address as well. Then tap on continue. After you tap on continue, it will check your email address and it will send you a code on your email address. So simply visit your mail, and on your mail, you will have found an email by Coinbase. Open that email up. If you haven't found it, it might be on your spam, so check that out. So simply enter the code that you received on the email. Then it will automatically take you where you can create a password. So create a password. Make sure that it fits all the criteria. And there you can see you will need to have 8 characters, upper and lowercase, and at least one number and a symbol. Then tap on continue. And now you can enter your first name and your last name. Then tap on continue again and go along with this process. And now you'll need to verify using your phone number. So after you type in your mobile number, you will get a verification code on your mobile number as well, like you did on your email. Simply type that in, and after you type that in, then you can log in into your account using the email and the password that you used to set it up. And that's how you can sign up or create an account for Coinbase. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.